Time. At 2:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Another storm headed to me.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waxahachie in Midlothian around 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ennis around 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bardwell Lake around 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Alma around 3:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Reeder Springs, Pike, Toledo, Rocket, India, Crisp, Howard, Bristol, Garrett, and Trumbull. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 east between mile markers 393 and 410. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 266. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.